Did you know that some superfoods can actually help your skin regenerate faster? Foods rich in antioxidants can boost collagen production and keep your skin looking youthful. Whether you're dealing with dryness, dullness, or just looking for that extra glow, your diet can make a world of difference. In today's video, we'll explore 10 superfoods that are not only delicious but also fantastic for your skin's health. So, if you're ready to nourish your skin from within, keep watching. Let's jump into our list of the top 10 superfoods for amazing skin. Number 1. Blueberries. These small, vibrant berries are packed with antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, which helps to protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can accelerate aging by breaking down collagen, which can lead to wrinkles and sagging skin. Blueberries also contain anthocyanins, which have anti-inflammatory properties that can help calm irritated skin. Try adding blueberries to smoothies, yogurt, or even salads for an easy and delicious skin-boosting treat. You'll also get the added benefit of fiber, which helps with digestion, another key element for clear skin. Number 2. Avocado. Known for its rich, healthy fats, avocados contain monounsaturated fats that help keep your skin moisturized and supple. These fats can also reduce the appearance of fine lines and help skin maintain elasticity. Avocados are packed with vitamins E and C, both powerful antioxidants that help combat skin damage and repair cells. For an extra tip, you can make a hydrating avocado face mask by mashing half an avocado, mixing it with a teaspoon of honey, and applying it directly to your face. Leave it on for about 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. This mask is especially beneficial for dry or dull skin. Number 3. Sweet potatoes. This root vegetable is high in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for skin cell turnover, meaning it helps your skin regenerate and stay clear. Plus, beta-carotene gives your skin a natural glow, almost like a healthy, subtle tan. Sweet potatoes are also a great source of vitamins C and E, which work together to keep your skin vibrant. For the best benefits, enjoy sweet potatoes baked or roasted with a bit of olive oil, as the healthy fat helps your body absorb the nutrients more effectively. Number 4. Spinach. Spinach is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, all of which play a role in maintaining healthy skin. Vitamin K helps reduce dark circles and improves blood circulation, while vitamins A and C promote collagen production and help with skin cell repair. Spinach is also rich in folate, which supports DNA repair and helps skin cells regenerate. Add spinach to your diet by blending it into green smoothies, making a hearty spinach salad, or lightly sautéing it with garlic. You can also try using spinach as a base for a healthy and nutritious green juice. This vegetable really does it all. Number 5. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are high in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from the harmful effects of UV rays. Lycopene also works to reduce redness and inflammation, making it ideal for those with sensitive skin. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C, which helps brighten your complexion and fade dark spots over time. For a skin-boosting snack, try eating tomatoes with a drizzle of olive oil, which increases lycopene absorption. If you're looking for a natural toner, you can even rub a slice of tomato on your skin. Leave it for a few minutes, then rinse off. It can help tighten pores and give your skin a smooth finish. Number 6. Walnuts. Walnuts are a unique nut because they're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation and keep your skin moisturized. The high levels of zinc in walnuts are also beneficial for healing wounds and fighting bacteria, which can help prevent acne breakouts. Walnuts contain a healthy dose of vitamin E as well, which helps protect your skin from environmental damage. Try adding walnuts to your oatmeal, or mixing them into a trail mix with other nuts and seeds for a nutrient-packed snack. And here's a fun fact. Walnut oil is also great for your skin. Apply a small amount to dry patches for an instant boost of hydration. Number 7. Green tea. Green tea is an incredible source of catechins, which are natural antioxidants that help prevent cell damage. These compounds can help improve your skin's elasticity, making it smoother and firmer. Drinking green tea regularly can also reduce redness and calm irritated skin, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. Try swapping your morning coffee for a cup of green tea to boost your skin's health from the inside out. Number 8. Papaya. Papaya contains papain, a natural enzyme that exfoliates your skin, removing dead skin cells and leaving your skin looking fresh and smooth. This tropical fruit is also high in vitamin C, which brightens the skin and helps reduce pigmentation. Papaya can be used to create a DIY face mask for a gentle exfoliation. Mash some papaya, apply it to your face, and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with cool water. The natural exfoliating properties of papaya make it a fantastic addition to your skincare routine, especially if you're looking for a natural way to keep your skin glowing. Number 9. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, particularly varieties with a high cocoa content, is loaded with flavonoids, which help to protect your skin from UV damage and improve hydration levels. This delicious treat can improve blood flow to your skin, giving it a radiant glow. Plus, dark chocolate has magnesium, which helps reduce stress and inflammation, both of which can impact your skin. Just remember to enjoy it in moderation. Aim for dark chocolate that's at least 70% cocoa, as this contains less sugar and more of those skin-boosting antioxidants. Pair it with nuts or berries for a snack that's as good for your skin as it is delicious. Finally, number 10. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are tiny but mighty. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber, all of which are essential for healthy skin. The fiber helps maintain gut health, which is closely connected to clear, glowing skin. Omega-3s help reduce dryness and inflammation, and antioxidants fight free radicals. Try soaking chia seeds in almond or coconut milk overnight for a simple, nutritious pudding. You can add berries or a drizzle of honey for extra flavor. Chia seeds are also great sprinkled on top of smoothies, salads, or oatmeal for an easy skin boost. And there you have it, 10 superfoods that can give your skin a natural boost. By adding these foods to your diet, you're not only nourishing your body but also helping your skin to look its best. Remember, healthy skin starts from the inside out. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below sharing your favorite skin-boosting superfood. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.